How to make $10,000 in 2023, valuable insights from Andrew Tate. Whether you agree or disagree with him, Andrew Tate has certainly made a name for himself with his no-nonsense approach to success and wealth. In this video, we're diving into his strategies and insights on how to achieve a $10,000 income this year. So, let's get started. 1. Mindset and determination. According to Andrew Tate, the right mindset and determination are key to achieving financial goals. He emphasizes the importance of having a winner's mindset, which involves unwavering confidence in your ability to succeed. He often says that a strong mindset is the foundation upon which you can build financial success. 2. Multiple streams of income. Andrew Tate advocates for diversifying your income streams. He believes that relying on a single source of income is risky and limits your earning potential. To make $10,000 in 2023, he suggests exploring various income opportunities, whether that's through a job, freelancing, investments, or starting a side business. 3. Continuous learning. Tate often stresses the significance of continuous learning. He encourages staying updated with market trends, acquiring new skills, and investing in your personal development. This approach enables you to stay competitive and seize opportunities as they arise. 4. Persistence and hustle. According to Andrew Tate, there's no substitute for hard work and persistence. He believes that consistent effort is necessary to achieve financial success. He often shares his own experiences of overcoming challenges and setbacks through sheer hustle. 5. Capitalize on your strengths. Tate advises capitalizing on your strengths and talents. He believes that focusing on what you're good at can lead to higher income potential. Whether it's a skill, a hobby, or a unique expertise, leveraging your strengths can help you stand out in a competitive landscape. 6. Networking and connections. Networking plays a crucial role in Andrew Tate's strategies. He emphasizes the value of building connections and relationships with people who can offer mentorship, guidance, or collaboration opportunities. Networking can open doors to new ventures and income sources. 7. High-value offerings. Andrew Tate often talks about providing high-value offerings. Whether it's a product, a service, or content, he believes that delivering exceptional value to your audience or customers is a surefire way to generate income. The better your offering, the more people will be willing to pay for it. 8. Consistency and discipline. Tate's approach centers around consistency and discipline. He emphasizes the importance of setting goals, creating a plan, and sticking to it. He often reminds his followers that success is a result of disciplined actions taken consistently over time. 9. Adaptability and flexibility. According to Andrew Tate, being adaptable and flexible is crucial in the ever-changing landscape of earning money. He suggests being open to adjusting your strategies, exploring new opportunities, and embracing change to stay ahead. Conclusion. Love him or hate him, Andrew Tate's insights offer a different perspective on achieving financial goals. While some of his views are certainly controversial, there's no denying that his advice encourages taking charge of your own financial journey. Whether you agree with all his strategies or not, there's something to be learned from his emphasis on mindset, determination, and hard work. That's a wrap on today's video. If you found these insights valuable or have your own thoughts on Andrew Tate's strategies, don't forget to hit that like button and share your comments down below. And of course, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more thought-provoking discussions and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep striving for success.